In today's video, I'm gonna test two transfer from Heat Transfer Warehouse. And if you want to see what vinyl I'm gonna test, stick around. Your boy will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, I'm gonna test two transfer from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Heat Transfer Warehouse, I tell you who's Heat Transfer Warehouse. Heat Transfer Warehouse is where you could get many different vinyl. You could get different heat press. You could even buy t-shirt on their site. You even could buy other kind of transfer, which I'm gonna make another video on what transfer you can get from their site. Heat Transfer Warehouse, you could get like cedar vinyl, you could get their vinyl, which I'm gonna test today is their puff vinyl. I have two colors I'm gonna test today. I'm gonna test the yellow and the gray today. Yes, I'm gonna do it today, but I'm not gonna do a wash test because I'm sure it's gonna hold up. But if you guys want to see me do a wash test, you could always leave it down below in the comment. All right, if you're interested in getting one of the world best vinyl, which is the B-FLEX Gimme5, or you get the B-FLEX stretch vinyl. They also have many other vinyl, the B-FLEX, but you could hit up the link down below, the vinyl stand, and go ahead, try the B-FLEX Gimme5. Like I said, they also carry sample package. You could buy the whole sample package and go ahead, create, because there's many different vinyl comes in the sample package, or you could just buy a single one and try out the B-FLEX. And remember, you need a good press. Okay, I'm not saying you need a really super good press to use the B-FLEX, but if you want great result, you need a good press. You understand? So you won't have to blame the vinyl when the vinyl peel off. Okay, it's always lead back to the press or the position. Maybe you need a pillar, maybe you don't. You know, it's all depends on how your process is. But my number one thing is make sure you have a good press, so we could scratch that off the list if you ever come up with a problem with any vinyl, not just the B-FLEX, any vinyl. Scratch the cheap Amazon press off. But at Heat Transfer Warehouse, they have the Hotronix, and they also carry their own brand of press, the Walakut Express. I believe that's their the name of their heat press. But if I'm wrong, they do got entry-level press on other press. I say if you're gonna get yourself a press, try their press, or if you have enough money, try the Hotronix. Hotronix won't let you down. Not today, not tomorrow, never. You heard? In this video, we are gonna test the Walakut puff vinyl. I have the yellow and I also have the gray vinyl, and I believe Walakut is their brand, so you know your bad boy is expecting a lot from this vinyl. But before we jump into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and after the video, no, let's not wait till after the video. I want you to smash that like button for me, share this video after the video, drop me a comment. I don't care what you say hi, how are you, I don't care what you say, just leave me a comment. And remember, when you like the video, it helped my video to circulate around in YouTube, okay? So I could continue making video for you guys, and they could see what you enjoy, yeah, you enjoy, yeah. Okay, so these are the two vinyl that I'm gonna use in today's video. Okay, we have the yellow vinyl. Yeah, this is their yellow vinyl. It kind of look orange. Maybe on screen it looked yellow to you guys, but it look a little orange or maybe yellow. You know, I could be colorblind, you know. colorblind. And I also have the gray one. Now, in other video, your bad boy made a mistake and think some vinyl was, you know, the wrong vinyl. But in this video, it's not gonna be a mistake because I want you guys to take a look. If you could see, it said Puff. Come on, camera. It said Puff on it. Come on, come on. Okay, so it said Puff on it. So in the video, your bad boy is looking for this. I'm not looking for anything less. I want it to puff up. That's what I'm looking for, because it said Puff. No mistake, so people don't have to leave me any comment telling me I'm making a mistake. Okay, it said Puff, so that's what we're gonna test in this video. And also, it's a little thin. You know, I feel like regular vinyl. You know, you guys can't see it, but it does feel like regular vinyl. So I'm just curious to see how this little bad boy is gonna puff up to be this. Listen, it's there, you guys just can't see it, you know, this bad boy. Okay, so I'm just curious to see how it's gonna puff up. But like I said, if you want to go check out Heat Transfer Warehouse, I'm also affiliated with them, so like a partner. So whenever you make a purchase there, your boy get a small commission. You know, the dog and cats outside has been a little happy because a lot of you are supporting, which I really appreciate it. So if you need vinyl, just go to their website and check it out. And trust me, you get fast shipping, good customer service, and you could also get t-shirt on their site. So you shopping, you getting everything all in one place. You know, you get your vinyl, you get your heat press, and you also get t-shirt. What more do you want? And good customer service. Should I keep with the and fast shipping? What else you want from me? Huh? I know. Stop talking. I'm gonna test the vinyl, right? That's what you're saying? Anyway, I'm not gonna wash these. Why? Because it's not really like a regular vinyl. But if you guys want me to do a wash test, you could always leave it down below in the comment, and I'll take this bad boy to the laundromat and turn up the heat on it. And the reason why, these are like cold wash, and it's like tumble dry, something like that, you know. But if you guys still want me to test it, I take this bad boy and I'll put the pressure on it just to see how it will, you know, hold up. So if you start in your own business and you need some heat transfer, go hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link is down below. Use my link, and don't forget, your boy get a little small commission so I could keep on making these videos for you. Woo, you guys see these skills? Alright, so anyway, let's stop talking and roll into the video. Okay. Okay, so the machine is set at 320 for 15 seconds. Let's go. Now it's a warm peel. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Can you guys see it? You guys see what I'm looking at? It's puffing up. Oh my God, if you guys could see me right now, I'm dancing, you know? Look. Oh. Look. Come on. You guys could see it? Look at that. It immediately swelled up. Well, let's take this to the other room. Ooh, yeah. Heat transfer warehouse. This is their Walakut puff. And it didn't let me down, not even one bit. Look at this. Look. It's puff. Just as they say. Look at that. I don't know if you guys could see it. Come on, you could see it. You could see it. Look at that. Just as they said. It's puff. Not P. Not Puff Daddy. Puff. Look at that. Wow. I am impressed. I am very much impressed. I used the regular setting on my machine to cut it. On my Cameo 3. Regular, what is it? Heat transfer smooth. The regular setting with that. That's what I used to cut it. And the peeling was so easy. You guys saw that on film. It was so easy. It was done. It was very easy peeling. Print. When you press it, you know, it's 15 seconds. And it's warm peel, but it was so smooth. It was just so easy to come off. It was basically already coming off. So it was just because it's already, it was like this swollen up. I wish I would have caught that on film when it was doing that. It was just like, it was like, I am the Incredible Hulk. You know, it was just like breaking out of the plastic, and the plastic couldn't stay down. It was like, you know. So it actually is puff. This is their, I put the name right here. They Walakut, if I'm saying the name right, puff. Okay, and like I show you how to get it on the website. It's very easy. You guys need to check it out. Go to Heat Transfer Warehouse and try their puff, their Walakut puff. I'm telling you, look at this. Now I'm not gonna wash it. If you guys want me to do a wash test, just drop it below and your boy will, you know what I'm saying, I'll hammer this bad boy. But it's really nice. Extremely, you know, look at that. It's extremely nice. Great job. Easy cut, easy press. Everything about it was easy. It wasn't disappointed. So listen to me, if you guys want to get some vinyl, you want to try different vinyl, because they got lots of vinyl. They got heat press, you name it. They got clothes, you name it. They got a heat transfer warehouse. Link is down below. Use my link because your boy get a small commission. You know, so I can continue making videos. And if you want the B-FLEX, which is another great, like the world, one of the world greatest vinyl, the B-FLEX Gimme5 or the B-FLEX Stretch, go to the vinyl stand. Link is down below. Use my link. And I also got some Amazon stuff like my camera and whatever, you know, my ring light, you know what I'm saying, and other stuff that I purchased and use on Amazon. And remember, stay tuned for some video on, and also don't forget Econo transfer. Hit them up. The link is down below. I'm gonna actually do Econo puff vinyl too, so stay tuned for that video. And also I'm gonna do the B-FLEX Fatty. I have to redeem my soul with that, and I'm gonna do more heat transfer vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So look out for those videos. That's all your boy got for you. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. And now that the video over, or I hope you smashed it already, smash that like button for your boy, share the video, drop me a comment. I don't care what you say hello, say whatever. Anyway, until the next video, this is your boy Flex, and I'm out.